Why nutrition labels matter. Hi everyone, welcome back to Zero Fat TV, Think Different. Have you ever picked up a food product, glanced at the nutrition label, and thought, what does all of this even mean? You're not alone. Learning how to properly read nutrition labels is one of the most important steps toward making healthier food choices. In this video, we'll break down how to decode those confusing labels step by step, so you can shop smarter and eat better. Stick around to the end because we'll share a pro tip that can save you from falling for sneaky marketing tricks. Let's dive in.
Step 1. Start with serving size. The first thing you should look at on any nutrition label is the serving size. This is key because all the information on the label is based on this specific portion. For example, a bag of chips might seem low calorie, but if the serving size is only 10 chips and you eat the whole bag, you're consuming way more. Always double-check how many servings are in the package. If you're not paying attention to the serving size, you might underestimate your calorie and nutrient intake. This small step can make a big difference in understanding what you're eating. Step 2. Focus on the key nutrients. Now, let's move on to the nutrients section. Look for the big three: calories, fat, and sodium. High-fat or high-sodium foods can sneak into your diet if you're not careful. Try to limit foods with saturated and trans fats, as well as items with over 20% of your daily sodium intake per serving. On the flip side, look for good nutrients like dietary fiber, vitamins, and protein. These are the ones you want more of in your diet. The percent daily value, percent DV, listed on the right side of the label is a great guide. 5% or less is considered low, and 20% or more is high. Step 3. Don't fall for marketing tricks. Here's where food companies get sneaky. Just because a package says low fat or sugar-free doesn't mean it's healthy. These terms can be misleading and often compensate by adding other unhealthy ingredients like extra sugar or sodium. Always cross-check the claims on the front of the package with the actual nutrition label and ingredient list. If the ingredient list is too long or filled with things you can't pronounce, it's probably best to leave it on the shelf. Pro tip: compare before you buy. Finally, make it a habit to compare similar products before making your choice. For example, 2 brands of granola bars might look the same, but one could have twice the sugar or half the protein. Reading labels side by side can help you find the option that aligns best with your goals. It might take a little longer at first, but once you get the hang of it, label reading becomes second nature. It's a small investment of time that pays off big when it comes to your health.
Learning how to read nutrition labels is a game changer for anyone trying to eat healthier. Start by checking the serving size to ensure you're calculating your portions correctly. Then, focus on key nutrients like calories, fat, and sodium, while keeping an eye out for beneficial nutrients like fiber and protein. Be aware of sneaky marketing tricks and always compare similar products to make the best choice. With these tips and a little practice, you'll be reading nutrition labels like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching Zero Fat TV, Think Different. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on living your healthiest life. It's not the load that breaks you down, it's the way you carry it. Rich Hamilton.